Okay, I want it louder. Good afternoon, Shanid National High School! Okay, thank you so much for your warm welcome. And sorry kayo nung magsinamok sa Jud may kajut kagit kayo ni promise Jud. So, by the way, we are from Ice Ice Cream. Are you familiar with that ice cream brand? Tag-asas energy, eh. Okay, so by the way, we are from Ice Ice Cream. And our location, kay dinara po din sa Ubay, Pulang to, dira at bang sa Provincial Engineering Office. And we are just going to have a really quick promotional activity entitled Campus Care, Gift Giving for Growth and Learning. Okay, so yeah, I am going to share with you a really short background about ICE Company. And I want every one of you to listen carefully because later part, we might be using those information that I will be saying here for our short activity game. So since we are prioritizing the safety of everybody, so we are not going to make a physical activity game, but only a question and answer game. So meaning, I am going to throw you questions. So I have prepared 5 questions right now. And all you need to do is just to raise your hand and then come in front, then say your answer here so that everybody can hear your answer. Okay? Nasabtan? Alright, okay. Anyway, we have here Ice is a popular ice cream brand for making delicious, high quality, and affordable frozen treats.